Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro 2, first real image. We'll have that coming right up. Now before we get into the video, I want to lay a couple of ground rules here. The first one is, this is a purported image of the DJI Mavic Pro 2. Number two, this is not from Omnidirectioinal. Omnidirectioinal actually retweeted this from somebody else on Twitter. So with those out of the way, DJI has had a whirlwind of activity the past 24 hours. Yesterday, they announced a postponement of the See the Bigger Picture event scheduled for July 18th. And as of Friday afternoon here, they have not done anything regarding rescheduling that event or have put out any additional information. And when they do put out additional information, be sure to watch Bill the Drone Reviewer for that. The other thing is, today we came out and we found out a picture, what looks to be a purported picture of the DJI Mavic Pro 2. Now there's a couple of things that I do want you to note right away. If you look on the arm, on the front arm of the drone, you will see the words Mavic 2. You won't Mavic Pro 2. Also, look at the color of the bands on there. The color of the bands are silver. They're not gold, which harkens back to the Phantom 3 series when they use different color bands on the Phantom 3. The other thing is over to the left, and it's circled with what looks like something from Photoshop. It looks like a camera slash gimbal assembly, much like a GoPro Karma, which is very interesting. If this is part of this right now, that is a game changer. That is absolutely fantastic. Now, taking a look at the drone itself, it does bear a lot of resemblance to the DJI Mavic Pro. However, there's a lot of things that look different. It's bigger, it looks streamlined, more aerodynamic. The camera and gimbal assembly up front is different on that. You can see some of the sensors on it as well. Now, I highly recommend, and I'll put a link in the description, Hey Kesterlu put out a great article regarding what he thinks all the features are on the drone. So I highly recommend that you take a look at that. One of the other things that I want to talk about is the naming. You saw the name Mavic 2. Now, as I've stated in my previous videos, I believe there's going to be two models of the DJI Mavic 2. We're going to have a DJI Mavic 2, and you're going to have a DJI Mavic Pro 2. And the Pro 2, I believe, is going to have the one with the 1-inch sensor on it. It's going to have probably the obstacle avoidance. I don't know if it's going to be on all sides or not, but that's going to be the beefed up drone. So I believe, again, I think that's going to be two models that we're coming out with here. One of the things I highly encourage you this Sunday at 2 p.m. to watch Sunday Afternoon Rotor Talk Live, where we're going to go ahead and discuss not only the postponement of the See the Bigger Picture event, we're also going to discuss the image that was leaked today. So I highly encourage you to mark that time. It's going to be 2 o'clock Eastern time, so definitely you want to check that out. Now, I've also tentatively lined up a guest for Tuesday night Rotor Talk Live, and you will definitely like this. If he's able to make it, we're going to have a great show on Tuesday night as well, so you do want to bookmark these dates that we have coming up here. Question of the day. Do you think that this is the DJI Mavic 2 Mavic Pro 2? Please drop me a note in the comment section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I post out there daily, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying!